Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
This concludes the video portion of TeachUComp Inc.'s Mastering Accounting Ethics Made Easy. Please take some time to review the video lessons. It may be helpful to replay the lessons which contained a lot of information or complicated concepts. Please also take time to complete the review questions independently of the video presentation and study all of the evaluative feedback provided with the review questions answer key. Printable versions of both the review questions and the answer key can be found in the training interface. It is also important to thoroughly study the accompanying IRS publication separately from the course transcript. The IRS publication may contain charts and additional information needed to answer test questions. When you've completed a thorough review of the included course materials, please complete the final exam and submit it to us using the instructions in the submittal form, which can be accessed in the training interface. Thank you for using TeachUComp training materials. If you have any questions about this course or need help submitting your final exam, please call us toll-free at 877-925-8080.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.